here today, and we're gonna do a song that he composed. Here with us today we have the multi-Nahoku Hanohano award-winning songwriter, Dr. Puakea Novomeyer. And he was both me and Helen's teachers at the University of Hawaii at Manoa, and he has become a dear, dear friend and mentor. And we're honored to be able to record several of his original compositions. And this is one that's off of our newest album, and it's talking about the thorny blossom. This is a song called Kapua Kokala, and it refers, of course, to the rose. And it likens the rose to, how do I say this nicely? A lover that did not quite work out. And you know, right after you've broken up with somebody, it's easy to romanticize about the relationship and to kind of slip back into something that's familiar and comfortable. But this song, it reminds us that although that person and that relationship may be enticing and attractive, we must remember that the thorns cover the stem, and that these thorns have pricked our fingers and drawn blood before. So it's a cautionary tale, and it uses this word koi koi in a couple of different ways. I love the chorus of the song, because the first way that it uses koi koi, it says koi koi aku ya hanu anu hea. You know, this fragrance that comes to me at night, koi koi, go away, go away. It's like a kind of a pidgin English, kind of like a slang use of koi koi. But the word koi koi means to scratch. And the very next line it says, koi koi iaiho ku'upu'u vai, my heart has already been scratched by you. So this is a song, we're gonna throw this one in and send it out to Puakea today. This is a song called Kapua Kokala.
Don't forget to pick up Kupawa's latest Kaho'okele, and you can see on Camille over here, and as well as some of the other selections also. So I really appreciate your support. Thank you for coming out on this Aloha Friday. You doing okay?
Yeah.
You enjoying the music? Once again, big mahalo to Kahala Mall for putting on such a great concert series.
I wasn't gonna ask, but you know, you're such a good sport. This is Kumuhula Franka Ananakima once again.
Bye.